With your permission, I would like to provide you some of the highlights we did and the organization structure we have today within Thane. So in nutshell, Thane Telugu Association Netherlands is a non-profitable organization and non-political organization. We have established this organization to promote Telugu culture and to assist in integrating in Dutch society. I can tell confidently today, lot of our friends today has passed Ingburgering exam and they are very much integrated into Dutch society. And we also do rise charity events. Needless to say, we also work with other organizations, either it's from India or from others. We work together and help the needy. How we are structured. Thane is a very flat organization. Just because of managing the responsibilities and make decision making faster, we just categorized into two groups. The first group is steering committee, and it is we work under leadership of Mr. Shivaram Tadigotla, and the steering committee is very much supported by our executive team, who are the members from different cities within Netherlands. They work with the local communities and gather the Telugu people when such events happen. Next, please. So, in brief, what we did in 2014, we did celebrated Ugadi in the same auditorium. Needless to say, what kind of feedback we received, and we still want to improve ourselves. That's the reason this year again we are coming back in the same platform and doing our best efforts. Next, please. In Amsterdam, Bos, we also celebrated Vanabhojanalu with all our families. From Eindhoven, we went in a bus. It was a joy-filled trip, and we typically organize Vanabhojanalu to raise charity. That's the main reason, and it was very successful, I must say. Next, please. Cricket, India, cricket, they both go together, right? So, in order to encourage the talent of our youth and adults, we also organize in HTC under sponsorship of High Tech Campus. We also organized cricket tournament, and it also went very well. I am sure everybody of you know that what happened in Visakhapatnam. It was a national disaster. It's called Hudhud. During that time, we as a Thane family came together and helped the tribals to survive their life. You can see the facts, you can see clearly how much money we got and how much money we have spent to help the needy. We come to know a 3-year-old is in a trouble, and just in a daytime, we were able to pool the money as a Thane family together, and we were able to help the kid who got a good care in Care Hospital in Hyderabad. This shows our heart, our integrity towards our home country. In order to promote and also make our kids speak Telugu, which is our mother tongue, we also started a school here so that we can teach Telugu. So it's been started from October and we named it as Manabadi. We also celebrated Sankranti. It is conducted in a very informal atmosphere, and I must say we have enjoyed the food. It was from different families and it was amazing. Today, after doing so many things, and I see so many crowd here and lot of them are new, I request, if you have time and if you would like to develop the Telugu society, please work together with us. We are just an open platform. We are open to any initiatives you have, and we are happy to have you and improve this organization further. With that note, I would like to move forward. If you have any further questions or any details you want to know from Thane, please look at our Facebook page or write an email or contact any one of us. We are happy to talk with you. So, as I said, today we have a special guest and chief guest between us. I would like to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Shri Sanjeev Singh, our Indian consular based out of Den Haag. He drove all the way 150 kilometers to come and see us. I would like to ask him to come on to the stage, please. Please give a big hand.